if you want to create typing interactions in your prototype using the native keyboard. No problem. Please pay attention. We will create this entire interaction in just 3 seconds. Ready? Go! Add an input layer, and then you are finished. That's it.
What? Are you kidding me?
Okay, calm down. Let's rewind and show you this process again in a little more detail. Here in the top left-hand corner, select Input from the drop-down menu. Open the preview window, and you can now use your desktop keyboard to start typing. If you are using your phone, the keyboard that appears in your prototype will exactly match that of your device, whether you are using an Android or iOS. You can even customize the placeholder text. Also, you can select between different types of text. For example, let's choose number password. If you go back to the preview window, you can now see there's a numerical keyboard, so whatever you type shows up as bullet points. You can even select what happens when you hit the Enter key. In this case, let's choose Search. Plus, you can also choose your native keyboard's light or dark theme, like this. And there you are. That's it. With this simple input layer, you can make all these dynamic interactions possible. Prototyping as easy as pie.